Parang ganun din naman yung tema. And yung second question ko kay Miss Rian, you mentioned kasi na apart from being a gentleman kay Piolo, what have you learned about Piolo as an actor?
Okay, si Jeff muna, between the Has and Silong.
Silong. Buti na lang napanood ko yung The Has. Sino nga ba director nun?
Ish. Hindi
Chito
Hindi rin. Ishmael Bernal. Machado ba yun? Sige, go.
Well, anyway,
Google natin.
I remember, buti na lang napanood ko yung pelikula.
Chito Ronyo.
Chito Ronyo, tama. Chito Ronyo. Yeah, napanood ko yung pelikulang yun. Maganda yun. Gusto ko din yung pelikula nila. Richard Gomez Maricel, tama? Tama, diba? Malayo. Malayo. Una-una, I think Silong is really meant to be a small film talaga eh. Na, yun nga, it's really just about these two characters and most of the things that are happening in the house. Which is actually like the third character. So, the Silong is the third character of the house talaga. The movie. Iba din siya, I guess, mas twisted pa to kaysa doon. Yun nga, I'm gonna go back dun sa mga feedback na nakuha namin na parang people who've seen the film really enjoyed it kasi parang while watching the film you'd be expecting something pero biglang babasagin yung expectations mo. So, yun. So, I guess, yun yung difference niya dun sa, But I love the Has.
Okay, Rian, the question is how the learnings from Piolo Pascual.
Ano ba? Well, he's so intense and his focus pretty much never breaks. With me kasi it's a little different. Before I do a scene, I'm really in my head and I get nervous about doing a scene, especially when it's important to me, when I feel like I'm gonna have a hard time maybe. I get very nervous beforehand and I don't see that happen with him. The second you hear action, he doesn't really take much time to warm up into the scene. He's intense right away. Which I don't have also. It takes me a while to warm up into what's happening in the scene. Parang I wait for the scene to tell the story. So with him at first, it was kind of disarming actually because I felt like, man, this guy's so good and he's so focused, he's gonna eat me alive. This movie is going to end my career. But afterwards, it's because he was so convincing to me. It later on became easy when I forgot about all the back part where you think of what you're gonna look like in the movie or any kind of comparison like that. You just go into a scene and believe it's happening. It becomes simple like that, and I guess that's the practice and learning that I got from this movie. Not to think about it don't overly think about it. Just go into it and then look into his eyes and believe. Ayan.
Okay. Thanks, Rian. And now, the question from Alan Diones. Ayan si Alan.
Diyos ko sa wakas. Okay, Jeff, boy. Jeff, congrats ha. Meron ka ng pelikula. Ito ba yung first feature film?
First directorial ko to.
Ano yung mga na-direct mo? Nag-music video ka na before. Ano yung mga nagawa mo ng dinirect mo?
Ngayon yung mga nag-air na dinirect ko yung sa GMA Records.
Kanino?
Maari ba ni Beverly Cayman, yung kay James Wright, ikaw yun.
Puro sa kabila. So nakailang music videos ka na? Na na-direct?
Madami na yun. Kasi from Mang Inasal to Star Records to may mga nagawa na din ako before.
Mang Inasal? Nag-TVC ka na?
Yun yung mga music videos that you'll see in the stores na it's